Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast for northeastern PA, Poconos, Wyoming Valley, Scranton, Hazleton, northern New Jersey, all the areas in between. It goes from March 6th through March 1st through the 6th around 6 p.m. Now, late this afternoon here on Tuesday, temperatures are basically in the 40s. Hasn't been a bad day. Temperatures will back off a little bit. There's around midnight tonight. You can still see their temperatures are still in the 40s for the most part. Some areas can be in the upper 30s, but 40s for the most part. And then as we start to get to around 4 in the morning, temperatures aren't going anywhere. You can see the winds are coming out of the south from this. So around 8 o'clock in the morning, this is where you bottom out. And you can still see there's a couple spots in the Poconos that get in the upper 30s, but that's about it. You have some winds that are blowing up because of the gust before the rain comes in. And you can see some of the peaks up here can get gusts into the 40s overnight. And then as we get through in the day tomorrow, the gusts in the higher elevations are in the 40s, lower elevations in the 30s. So it's a pretty gusty day. Precipitation will start to move in, and it'll be in the form of showers in the morning. The steadier rain is out to the west. And you can see some of this rain as it moves in. This is around 1 in the afternoon. Some of these yellows are some heavier rains, and there could even be a rumble of thunder late in the day. This takes you to around 4 o'clock, and you can still see most of the areas got some rain at this time. Jersey, you're just getting really started with the steadier stuff. But you can see some of these areas here where there's some red, and then that would be the heavier rains. And like I said, a rumble of thunder wouldn't be out of the question. This is around 6 o'clock. And then as we move this ahead, you can see some of these thunderstorms are out in Jersey here, but there's also a line back here towards Williamsport that wants to come through. This could create another round of thunderstorms. Wind with these thunderstorms could be gusty, but things will start to back off. As you can see, towards New York City, there's wind gusts in the around 50, and then as you move towards the west, they start to go down in North Jersey and the Poconos into the 40s before they die down behind that front, and then temperatures behind that front will start to drop. And I'll show you this. This takes you through the nighttime hours, Wednesday into Thursday. And as you can see, here comes your colder temperatures around 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. The 40s are going to be going, that replaced with 30s as this thing comes across. And then this takes you to around 11 o'clock in the morning. And even some areas of the Poconos have dropped down close to freezing behind this. And then as we go through the day into the nighttime hours, this takes you to around 8 o'clock Thursday night. And you can see temperatures for the most part in Pennsylvania are dropped below freezing. And in North Jersey, they're in the upper 30s or mid 30s at this point in time. We do get some good rain out of this. Um, we get, let's see here. Here you go. Here you can see wherever these thunderstorms pop up, there could be over an inch of rain. Generally, everybody else is a half to 3/4 of an inch, but there could be some spots here that really, when if these storms get together and they come through, they can throw down a little bit heavier precipitation to make your totals go up. There is a little bit of snow behind this thing, but it's going to basically stay out in the west. There's some spots in the Poconos at the tail end of this that could get some snowflakes into the air. I don't think it's going to accumulate anything at all. Okay, that's your 48-hour forecast.